Hello, I hope you're all well. Today I want to talk to you about card sorting. So first off, what is card sorting? Card sorting has been used as a method to arrange information in user experience design and information architecture for quite some time. But today I want to talk to you about one use of card sorting which not everyone may have thought about that I decided to use a couple of weeks ago when I started it with a client. They had done a lot of the legwork to get a digital strategy project developing. They'd done a survey in-house to find out what the team thought. They'd also done a strength, weakness, opportunity and threat analysis, and they'd kind of considered things like their end of life of different platforms. So when I came in, all of this work had been done, had been documented, and there was a lot of photos of a lot of post-it notes similar to this. So what I had to do was sort all of that information into practical workflows and problem statements so that we could move forward with the strategy, and so that as we were moving forward, the strategy stayed on course. So I took all of the notes that were about emails here as the orange blank post-it notes. Obviously I didn't want to use any of their information because that would have been confidential, and then I also brought in all of their social media and audience information across. And then there was a few things with that kind of were new channels developing and also ways that they could integrate across, so things like email marketing and user experience. So they were put underneath here. And then with their website, there was a few bits that they wanted to add, so new products, maybe memberships areas, all of that kind of stuff. So as you can see, I'm kind of organising all these coloured notes into a nice, ordered, organised fashion. And then from this, I was then able to create a 2-year roadmap that would help them progress and confirm their digital strategy. I hope you find this useful, and I will add some more links on a blog later today. Thanks.